teach you how to boost a car listing on Facebook Marketplace. Whether you're a seasoned seller or just getting started, boosting your listing can attract more potential buyers to your car ad. Let's dive into the steps needed to effectively promote your car on Facebook Marketplace. First, head over to Facebook and log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, navigate directly to the Facebook Marketplace. You'll find this in the left-hand menu on your Facebook homepage. It's represented by a little shop icon. Click on it and you'll enter the bustling world of Facebook Marketplace, where buying and selling meet in a dynamic online environment. Now that you're inside the marketplace, let's focus on your listings. On the left side of your screen, you'll see a menu. From here, click on Selling. This section neatly organizes all your active listings. Browse through them and select the car listing you wish to boost. Clicking on it will open up all the details you've previously entered, including photos and description. This is your chance to ensure everything looks appealing. Double check the description and photos make your car stand out. This is crucial because an attractive listing will capture more viewers' attention once boosted. Next, you're going to want to boost your listing. Look towards the area beneath your listing's title and photo. Here you'll find the Boost Listing button. Clicking on it takes you to the page where the magic happens, transforming a standard ad into a high visibility option. This next step is crucial, choosing your audience, budget, and duration. First, select your audience. Think carefully about your target demographic. Are they local buyers, automotive enthusiasts, or perhaps first-time car owners? Adjusting these settings can significantly impact the success of your boost. Next, determine your budget. Facebook will operate within whatever constraints you set, so choose what works best for you financially without overextending. Finally, select how long you want the boost to run. The duration will impact how widely and often your car ad is seen by potential buyers. The final step is to enter your payment details. Make sure your payment information is correct, as this will ensure that your listing boost proceeds smoothly. After you're confident all the information is accurate, go ahead and click the boost button, and just like that, your car listing is given premium positioning within Facebook Marketplace, increasing its visibility and hopefully attracting more potential buyers. Remember, a well-crafted listing paired with the right audience targeting and budget can make a significant difference in successfully selling your vehicle. Thanks for watching, and happy selling.